Ever felt that moment of panic when you go to log into your Popular Direct online banking and the password you thought was right isn't? You're not alone. Forgetting a password is frustrating, but getting back into your Popular Direct account is simpler than you might think. Today, we're walking through the exact steps to reset your Popular Direct online banking password. It's important to know upfront that for security reasons, Popular Direct usually requires a phone call to reset your password. This process ensures only you can access your high-yield savings and CD accounts. So, here's your clear, step-by-step guide. The first step is a direct and necessary one. You need to call the Popular Direct Customer Care Center. Their number is 1-800-274-5696. When you connect with a representative, you'll need to clearly state that you've forgotten your online banking password and need to reset it. The representative will then walk you through a series of steps to verify your identity. This is a critical security measure. Be prepared to provide information like your full name, perhaps your account number, and answer a few security questions to confirm you are the legitimate account holder. Once your identity is successfully verified, the Customer Care Center will provide you with a temporary password. This is your golden ticket back into the system, but you need to use it right away. With your temporary password in hand, go to the Popular Direct website and use your user ID and the temporary password to sign in. Because this is a temporary password, the system will immediately prompt you to create a new, permanent password. Take this opportunity to create something strong, secure, and unique. Popular Direct will have specific requirements for length and character type, so follow those prompts carefully. Once you've set your new password, you're all set. You've successfully regained access to your online banking and can manage your savings again. To recap, call the Customer Care Center at 1-800-274-5696, verify your identity, get your temporary password, and then use it immediately to sign in and set a new, permanent password. It's always a good idea to save the customer care number in your phone or notes, just in case you need it again. Dealing with banks can sometimes feel complicated, but with Popular Direct, a quick call is the most secure path to getting back online. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.